In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase a gift card on Ticketmaster's website. Whether you're looking to surprise a loved one with the gift of live entertainment or simply adding to your own ticket purchasing power, this guide will take you through the process step by step. First, head on over to the Ticketmaster website. Start by opening your preferred web browser and typing in ticketmaster.com in the address bar. Whether it's for concerts, sports events or theatre, Ticketmaster has a vast array of entertainment options. Once you're on the home page, take a look around if you'd like, but to kick off the process we're looking for the gift cards section. After locating the gift cards option on the home page, give it a click. This should take you to a dedicated page that deals solely with gift cards, detailing the numerous possibilities you can explore with them. Here you have the choice of physical cards or, as we'll explore today, a digital e-gift card. Ideal for quick and easy gifting. Now, click on e-gift card. This choice is perfect if you need something immediate or you're gifting someone far away. Plus, it's environmentally friendly, keeping everything digital without any need for shipping. After you click, you'll see a couple of options ahead. Navigate to the option labelled For Me. You're about to enter the world of customizable gifts, where you can personalize the card to make it feel special for the receiver, whether that's yourself or someone else. Click on Send a digital card afterwards. This tells the system you're opting for a digital format over a physical card, keeping it simple and instantaneous. Next, it's time to have a bit of fun. Click on Choose your gift card design. Ticketmaster provides various designs to accompany your gift card, from classic to contemporary graphics, ensuring there's something fit for any occasion or personality. Once you've picked a design that resonates with you or the recipient, move on to how much. This is where you decide how much money you would like the gift card to hold. You can select from preset amounts or enter a custom value. Then let's confirm that choice by clicking on What value would you like on the gift card? This step solidifies the amount you plan to allocate to the card. With that decision made, click on Add to Cart. Just like any other online shopping experience, this action adds your chosen gift card to your virtual cart, keeping it ready for the purchasing process. Finally, proceed to your cart and click on Checkout. This is where you'll finalize your details, maybe include a personalized message with the card and complete the payment process. Follow through with any additional instructions to finalize the purchase, and voila! You've successfully got yourself a Ticketmaster gift card ready to bring joy through the magic of live events. Enjoy and happy gifting.